Alright guys, in this video you will learn and understand why we should never ever delete any of our videos, be it the long videos, shorts, live stream or even community posts, and this is the reason. Okay, this is my channel page. I have 7.7k subs at the moment with 2,500 videos. So what happened is in the last 2 months I deleted a lot of my videos with low views, and I find it a bit irrelevant to my content, so I deleted a lot of videos. I think about 2,000 videos, I'm not kidding. So what happened is YouTube restrict my views now. You can see this today's live stream, May 6, 2025, and then I have only 32 views, 34 views, 32 views, 40 views, 29 views, and even 2 views. That is a drastic difference from my highest view 4 months ago in January 9, 60,000, 53k, 41k. It's all in the 5-digit and 4-digit, or even 3-digit, 100,000 and 10,000 views. So of course, I'm very sad and disappointed. So I try to find the reason, and then the only reason I can think of is because I deleted all of my videos. So YouTube, the algorithm actually thinks that I'm trying to be funny by deleting the videos, and then now I'm being punished by having very low views on my live stream. Then take a look again, all these double digit or even single digit views on my live stream, that actually if in back in the normal days I can get at least 200, 300 views or even up to 1,000 views. So this is affecting my channel a lot. And then for the long videos, I think there's an impact also. I only get like 53 views, 100 views. On the average, less than 100 views, 50 to 100. You can see, very rarely I have like above 200, 300 views. So this is not the reason. This is the main reason you should never ever delete any of videos and even a community post. So what to do after you have been restricted from the views in YouTube? Number one, do not give up. From my experience, it's like YouTube is like a computer. It will input whatever information that we as a content creator feed the information to it. So let's say I do a best of district 1 Saigon. So once I do this live stream, YouTube will input this information that I have done this live stream before, and then you store this information. So the next time I do a district 1 Saigon live stream, then most probably the views will be increased to audience who are interested in this content. And then the more I do it, the more information they have, and YouTube promote this video more. So at the moment, of course, I'm sad, as I mentioned before, 54 views, 32 views, 34 views. You know, it's like I find that I'm just like a channel. I've only 100 subs or 50 subs who has just started the live streaming with such a view that I find really unacceptable. But of course, I know that it's my own mistake, my fault. So I've only myself to blame and working towards it. I think this has been going on for the last 2 months, since April until now. It's 1 month plus already. And then initially at the starting, I sort of like, I was shocked, and then I stopped for like 1 or 2 weeks. But I found that stopping the live stream, not doing any live stream, does not really help. It doesn't help at all. So it only make the situation worse when you return to YouTube and start to live stream after 1 or 2 weeks, or the time that you stop to do the live stream. And then you'll find that the views does not improve at all. It actually also decreases. It's low views. It doesn't improve like before. So do not stop live streaming. Keep on live streaming, doing interesting content with the relevant hashtag, title, description, and the attractive thumbnail. And then I think everyone would benefit for it. So this is really my mistake, and I hope that no one will repeat my mistake ever again. If you really need to delete your videos, so let's take a look. You can actually do it like, don't delete, but you keep it to visibility, as in you can keep it unlisted or private right here. You can click unlisted or private. Alright, but then once it's done, it's already public. So yeah, and then if you are monetized already, you can choose member only. That means the members who actually pay a subscription plan for your channel. So I've been figuring this a lot in the past 1 or 2 months. There's no reason why YouTube will restrict my views. I've done a chat, many chats with the YouTube staff via the YouTube app, and then they say that there's nothing wrong. They say there's nothing wrong in my channel, and then when I told them about the low views, all they say is like, my content is not interesting enough, my thumbnail not interesting enough, and then a lot of competition and so on. But of course, they want to tell me the real reason. All this is just to comfort myself, just give a legal reason to explain, but they will not tell me that it's because I deleted the videos, and then that's the only reason I thought of. And then I really hope that this video will help you guys in really considering whether you need to delete those videos. I think the only reason you delete those videos is because it's totally irrelevant to your channel, and then secondly, it's some kind of dangerous content and then illegal content. So of course, deleting is the only way. But try not to do it because it really affect the channel, and then the ranking and the algorithm and then the views and ranking. it just be sad because you'll be disappointed if you put in a lot of effort in your live stream. Like myself, every single day I go out and do a lot of live stream. In the past, I do about 30 to 50 live streams every day, but now I do about 10 because I find this very unmotivated to do. But I try to keep on doing because I know that there are viewers who are interested in my content, and even there are even like 1 to 10 viewers, I'm really happy because it shows that people care about my content, and then people actually watch my content. But of course, I hope that this figure will go up like the old days, so that I'll be more motivated to create more content. So that's my sharing. And then if you guys have any comments, or if you have any similar experiences in experiencing the YouTube algorithm reducing your visibility in your channel, in your YouTube live streams, long videos, or even the shorts, you can drop me a comment below, because I would really like to know like how you guys actually feel about this thing, and then how you guys have experienced this kind of thing before, and then how do you deal with it, and then how do you overcome these low views? Do you stop completely, not do any live stream, take a break, or do you still continue little live stream every single day? And then any improvements that you see so far, and then how long do you see improvement? I'm still trying to figure out. I mean, I will update again in the future live stream, like if I continue not deleting any videos, but I do live stream every single day, and then when exactly will YouTube increase my views once again in the future? It can be like 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, I'm not sure. But if it's 1 year, I think it's too long. Then maybe it's time for me to start a new channel. You know, everyone has their own patience limit and tolerance limit. Of course, my channel is more monetized now, and then everyone hope to make some money, little money. If not, it'll be not really motivated to carry on, right? Because after so much time, I actually started channel about 1 year ago, and then I really put a lot of effort to it. You can see, yeah, anyway, just cut it short. I hope that you guys can share your story. How do you feel about this? I'm actually sharing from my own experiences. So do not ever delete your videos, be it a live stream, long video, shorts, or even community posts. If there's a need, just keep it to unlisted or private views. Alright, so thanks everyone for watching this live stream, and then I hope that you have a good day and stay healthy. Any comment, feedback, just drop me in the comments below. Take care, guys.